Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have a MAC haul. I was feeling nostalgic and I popped into one of the physical locations and I picked up some of my old favorites that I used to use all the time, and I picked up one new to me item. I don't know how new it is in MAC, so I'm just gonna reach in and see what we got here. Ooh, we got the MAC Kohl in the shade Fascinating. MAC Kohl in the shade Fascinating. And I've always loved this. This is a matte white pencil. And it's honestly a very dated form of eye makeup. I have it right on my waterline. And it's just one of those fun things that we used to do a lot back in the day. Nowadays you'll use more of a nude tone on the waterline if you want to make your eyes pop or look brighter. And then this is my favorite MAC lipstick. This is the MAC Matte Lipstick. This is the shade Russian Red. My favorite shade. I'm wearing it right now. It is a blue-based red, completely matte, and it's just, oh, it smells so much like vanilla, and I've always loved this shade. So I picked that up, and then I went ahead and got a lip liner. This is the MAC Lip Pencil in Cherry. I always thought it pairs very nicely with Russian Red. And I have that on my lips right now. And it's just a nice red, as you can see. I didn't swatch the lipstick because I have it on my lips, but I'll still go ahead and swatch it. And these are all part of the permanent line at MAC. That's why they're my old favorites. They'll always be there. You can go pick them up anytime. Got a couple more items. Oh, here we go. This is a MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot. And I got this in the shade Soft Ochre. And haven't used one of these in forever. I did play with it a little bit this weekend, but it's just that really neutral light beige. And this is great for using as a base underneath certain eyeshadows. It dries to a matte finish. Just gives you that nice clean palette on your eyelid, or you can also just wear it as an eyeshadow. So I thought it'd be cool to have one of those. I remember I used to use these religiously, not so much anymore. And then we got two more items. This is the Pigment. Oh, and by the way, I'm actually not wearing Soft Ochre today. So, should have put it on, but I just didn't think about it at the time. I just ended up using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Anyways, this is the Pigment, or basically a loose eyeshadow. I wanted the full size, but the location I went to was sold out of the full size, so I got the mini. This is the shade Blue Black. It's just this great duochrome. You see this in a lot of independent brands, and it's just that, well, you can see it, it's on my lids. You look at it one way, it looks blue. You look at it another way, it looks brown, and they aptly named it Blue Brown. And I've always loved this pigment, and I was like, let me get that. And then the last item I got, this is new to me, and I have it on right now. It's on my brows. This is the Eyebrows Styler. Yeah, that sounded weird. Eyebrows Styler. Let me show you the box. And this is in the shade Stylized. Stylized. So it's on my brows right now, and I would describe this as a cool, soft taupe. So I love on one end, you've got a built-in comb, which is nice, or spoolie, excuse me. You've got a built-in spoolie, which is always great. And on the other side, you've got a twist-up pencil, and you can actually roll it back down, which I really like. And I used that on my brows today, and I'm actually really liking this. And that is everything. So let me know if you guys would like to see a tutorial on this look using these products from MAC. Let me know if any of you still use makeup from MAC Cosmetics, and if you have any old favorites that you still restock from time to time, if you still walk into MAC stores. And that is it for now. Just a quick haul. Go ahead and like the video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. I love it when you guys interact with me, and I will answer when I can. And I'll see you guys in the next video.